Hello everyone. Look at this. I am so scared. Look at this. You hear it? It's like, isn't that so freaking cool? It's like a mountain of ice. Look at that. It's so insane. It's so insane. My God. I don't think anyone in my family have seen that yet. But yeah, here, check this out. It looks like the fish are freaking swimming. What the heck? Look at that. That's crazy. Look at them. That's craziness. Huh. It's a hell of a picture. Wow. Look at even that. That's so nuts. And it's only gonna freeze more. It's actually okay. So, from what I understand, it's supposed to get cooler or warmer. Pumping good. Yeah. It's supposed to get warmer, so this is all probably gonna melt. But like, even look at that. Look how cool that is. Flowing good. Flowing from the middle. So neat. So neat. At one point, this is all going to be frozen, though. Yeah, so I'm a little worried. But the fact that it's still moving, like pumping, I think it's still just going to be fine. Look at that. Look at that. It's insanity. Absolute insanity. Like, it's craziness. You hear it go bloop, 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 right there. And like, look at that. Insane. I'm so scared. Oh my God. I just don't want to screw up my pump, but I'm like, I'm going. I'm in now. Comment below. You guys think I'm going to ruin my pump? Oh, man. Crazy. So have you guys checked any of my shorts? If not, check them out. On that note, please subscribe. And guys, I'm going to tell you this. If you've been like watching my pond clips throughout the summer and whatnot, I'm telling you, next year, since like I figured out all this, like I was going to tear this. Actually, sorry. I did tear the bog apart. And I took everything out. Well, most of the stuff. There's still a little bit in. But ultimately, it was like my elderberry bush. Its root system was so huge. And I had grass in there, which I shouldn't have put in. Yeah. So those two both ultimately were the root causes of my bog just not functioning the way it should function. So, but yeah, next year is a new year. Look, it's beautiful. The water's so clear. And I am super, super excited for the new season to come. Even though it's so far away, I'm still excited. Because once this white stuff melts, then, well, it's just not gonna be here anymore. So, yeah. So what else is there to talk about? That surprise, if you guys watched my clip from yesterday, that surprise is like, well, I'll give one hint. I got paint on my finger and I have a cut, sorry. It was all part of the surprise. Anyways, I am super stoked. It's not here yet. That's another hint, but you guys will, no one will ever, unless you like drove through my garage or drove by my garage, you will not potentially even come close to guessing what I have coming. Oh my god. Anyways. And on another note, I live in Canada, and the rumors, and they're like major rumors, that Shohei Ohtani is gonna sign with the Toronto Blue Jays. And I'm a huge Blue Jays fan, and I'm telling you, the fact that it's like they're like tracking a plane right now which could potentially have Ohtani on the plane, and they're all tracking it. My buddy posted something. Apparently it's the most tracked plane right now. The fact that that's happening, like, he's the best player in baseball, and the fact that he is hopefully, like, potentially, like, really highly anticipated that he's coming to Toronto Blue Jays. Yes, you heard it here. And by the time I post this, I'm hoping he's already on the Blue Jays. So, and if he isn't, well, I am going to be disappointed. So, anyhow, on that note, guys, let's all cross our fingers for me for Shohei Ohtani to be a Blue Jay. But please subscribe. Please like the video, check out my shorts, and share them all. All right? And thank you for the love. And if you've already done that and are doing that currently, thank you. Yes. A big thumbs up. All right. You guys have a fabulous night.